Welcome to the channel. Today we're doing the gloss black handles, replacing the chrome. So first thing that you want to do, you want to turn your lights out up top just to make sure it doesn't run your battery down while your door is open. There's a little rubber grommet there. I know it's kind of dark, so right there you'll see a rubber grommet, and inside you'll see a screw, which is a Torx, or you can use a 7mm socket. I'll be using a 7mm socket. And you just want to loosen that up. So I found out the hard way that there's no need to take these screws all the way out. You want to loosen them up enough so you can get this back piece off. On the back, I did earlier, I took the screws off completely, or I took them completely out. Once I took them out, there's a little nut that goes on the back of that screw, and that nut fell in the door panel. So I took the door panel off and I was able to get the nut back with no problem. The issue is getting that nut back behind here where that screw is going to screw back into it. It's not much light in my garage, so I'm probably going to have to wait to do that till daytime, because I need a light to see exactly where that screw needs to be. It's kind of tricky getting it back where it needs to be on the back side. Alright, so you want to open this a little, wiggle it, and it's out. This is the piece here. If you can see, that screw is where I'm talking about. So that screw's not all the way out. If you take that all the way out, the nut on the back side of that's probably going to drop. At least on the back side it will for sure. I wasn't dumb enough to do it on the front too. So from there, once you get this back piece off, you want to move this out just a little. You'll hear that thump there. My ratchet fell off because I left it on, just trying to make sure that that did stay in, but it did stay in anyway, so we're good there. That's just your gasket. So the new door handles here, and I'm going to start by putting the handle side in first. Want to make sure that piece is all the way in. There we go. And to the back, so you can move that out. So the easier way, on the back I was a little impatient, and I had this little trim tool that I grinded down so that I could get this piece. Hopefully you guys can see this. There's a metal piece in there that needs to come back to the front. I grinded down this trim tool here so I could do it on the back, and it worked with no problem. But I started thinking about there's probably an easier way to do it without buying the 90-degree tool that GM sells. and I saw a video where someone used wire to grab it. You just loop it, grab the middle piece, pull it, and it works perfect. I forget the name of the video that I saw, but I will see if I can find it, and I'll tag him or list his channel in the description too. So this here is the piece that needs to come back. So you can pull that back, and then we're gonna move this in to hook it. I'm gonna scoop the door handle up a little. Once you make sure you pull that all the way back, you can hear it click, and you just pull the wire out. That's very efficient. I don't know how well the tool GM makes does, but that's probably easier than doing that. Using the wire is probably easier than using that tool. So once you do that, go ahead and grab the piece for the back. You never took the screw all the way out, so it'll still fit in same way the other one did. I am going to put the socket back on just to make sure that we're ready to screw the screw back in. To get this little rear piece on, you need to move the handle out just a little bit, and that snaps right in. And from there, we're just going to tighten it back. You want to tighten it till it gets snug. That's it. After that, you just put your grommet back in. There we go. Now we have the black door handles instead of the chrome. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and get the bell notifications. Hit the bell to get the bell notifications for new videos that I've posted. Thanks for watching. See you next time.